Okay, we're going to try this again. This is the Henstitute lab. We've got our two different velocities down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at velocity 2 first, and it should pop up a number. That's the cart all by itself going through. And then we'll see a number pop over here for velocity 1. That's when the second cart goes through that photo gate on the right. And then we'll see velocity 2 actually change its number. And the hope is the velocities afterwards are approximately half of what this velocity is right at the beginning. So I'm going to hit the collect button, so we're ready to collect data. And now we'll go ahead and launch. There's our number, and then there was our second number. And let's stop. Now, I thought it was going to pop up down here for the second number, but it didn't. But we do actually have two numbers that go through velocity 1. I forgot that the velocity 1 is actually the photo gate on the right. So I'm going to come up here to kind of show this, that we had two velocities go through there. So we had the original velocity of 0.502 go through there, and then all of a sudden it became 0.248 and 0.217. Now the reason those aren't exactly the same is there is some friction on the cart and it is actually slowing down. But if you start out with that 0.502 meters per second and it becomes that 0.248 meters per second, that's about half. We're about doubling the mass, which is cutting our velocity in half. We still have conservation of momentum. And that's been another edition of the Henstitute Lab.